This as people in Florida scramble for a reliable insurance policy, many of them turning to Citizens Insurance, which now has more than 1 million policies. It used to be a last resort, but after a firm that rates private insurance providers in the state threatened to downgrade ratings, people needed a policy they could rely on. 10 Tampa Bay's Miranda Parnell explains how the quick shift could impact us all.
The Florida property insurance market is in peril, and the crisis we are facing is escalating.
The government run and regulated Citizens Property Insurance is supposed to be a last resort. But with private insurance companies going under or dropping in ratings, a rep from Citizens tells us they've added 241,000 new policies since the beginning of this year. And Mark Friedlander from the Insurance Information Institute says that's not good.
Not only has Citizens become the largest home insurer in the state of Florida, but they are 53% higher than the next largest insurer.
And with all those policies, if we get hit by a severe storm, this government-run insurer could have to pay out a lot of claims. And reps from Citizens say they have the money to handle a 1 in 100-year storm along the coast, but they add if the costs break the bank, paying those claims could trickle down to all of our pockets.
In the event that Citizens exhausts its ability to pay claims, we are required to levy assessments, or if you want to call them a hurricane tax. We're required to levy assessments on first our policyholders and then other Florida insurance consumers.
And not only is Citizens now the last resort for people needing insurance, the state has also now designated them as the temporary last resort for the insurance companies. They've been set up as a reinsurer for private companies if they can't pay out claims after that rating drop fiasco.
It shouldn't surprise us that we are continuing to see financial peril here in the Florida home insurance market.
In Tampa, Miranda Parnell, 10 Tampa Bay.
We know big storms cost us in the immediate aftermath when they hit, but we also have to pay for them in the long haul. An example, when you adjust the cost for inflation, NOAA data shows the price tag we saw in September 2017 when Hurricane Irma hit fell in the range of $20 to $50 billion.